Today I'm going to show you how to do function tables. We've done these before, so they shouldn't be new. Just a quick review. So we have table, and in the table we have an input number, a rule, and an output number. The input number in this first table is given to us. We're going to use that. That's going to be one of the factors to multiply. And the rule is our second factor, in this case 5. So we're going to take 2 and we're going to multiply times 5. We could either count by 2's 5 times, or we could count by 5's 2 times. That's the commutative property. It's up to you which one you multiply by. So you can switch them. 5 times 2, 2 times 5, they both give you the output of 10. 7 times 5, correct, 35. 6 times 5, 30. And 4 times 5, good job, 20. And 9 times 5 is 45. Now on the bottom, I made one a little different. This time, we don't have all of the inputs given to us. The rule is 4. So whatever we're going to do with 4's. So we could go 10 times 4 or 4 times 10. That's up to you. I like 10, so 10, 20, 30, 40 would give me 40 for the answer. But let me put all my 4's in here first, because I know they're all going to be a factor of 4. That's my rule. And I said that 10 times 4 was 40. Now when I don't have my input, but I do have my output, I'm going to divide. I'm going to have to do the opposite. The inverse operation of multiplication is division. Now if you're not quite sure how to divide, we could just count by 4's. So if you remember your 4 song, we're going to count by 4's until we get to 24. And we're going to count on our hands for each 4. So 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. I counted 6 4's in my song until I got to 24. Okay, here we already have our input. So 8 times 4. Again, if you don't know it, just sing your 4 song 8 times. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 32. 4, how many times until we get to 12? 4, 8, 12, 3. And 5 times 4 is 20. Nice job. All right, it is your turn. Good luck. Push pause so you have time to work out the problems. And we're back. Next. Again, push pause so you have time to work out the problem. And we're back with the answers. Push pause. And we're back with the answers. Push pause. And we're back with the answers. We're going to talk about the multiplication table. So this is a table that has the factors down the side and across the top, and it has the product or the answers in the middle. It's a really useful tool for people who don't have their facts memorized. So if I were to take 4 times 3, I could start at the top and find my 4 and count down 3 spots. 1, 2, 3. 4 times 3 is 12. I could have also started over here on the 3 and counted 4 spots. 1, 2, 3, 4 to get to 12. Let's try another one. 5 times 7. 5, and I'm going to count down 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. For an answer of 35. Okay, they're on here twice as a matter of fact, because I could have started with my 7 and counted down 5 spots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 35. The same answer is on there twice. Now, when all of the answers are removed, it becomes a little bit more difficult, especially if you don't know your facts, if you don't just have them memorized, or if you don't have your songs memorized. So it's really important to either have them memorized, use flashcards in practice, just get them all memorized, or to learn your songs. So here we have 3 times 5. And if I know my 3 song, this will be pretty easy. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, I get 15. If I don't know my 3 songs, I can count by 5s. Counting by 5s is really easy. 5, 10, 15. And we said it's up here twice because I could have used this 3 and this 5 to get the same answer. So the multiplication table has answers on there twice because it commutes them and has both problems on there. 3 times 5 and 5 times 3. Let's try another one. This time we have 8 times 4. Again, if you don't know your 8s song, then you could do your 4 song. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32. I get to 32. And again, 8 times 4, we could also start over here and do 4 times 8 for 32. Okay, I'm going to give you guys an opportunity to answer some of these yourself. I'm going to fill in some of these squares, and I want you to do the ones that are dark. Push pause so you have enough time to fill in the answers. Okay, we're back. Here are the answers.